Hello guys!
Hindi may blueberries yun. Hello. Ang sungit. Hello.
Off to North Edsa.
Sabi mo naman sinabi mag-video ka. Hello. Hi.
Carl!
Hello.
Carl!
Hello.
Happy birthday, Brian! Dyan!
Happy birthday.
Kailan birthday?
Day 1 talaga.
Julio.
Brian.
Brian? Ran. Yeah.
It is lang, sorry.
Ran.
Ay, it's pronounced as Brian.
Brian. Pero I think like Ran.
Yeah.
And?
Parang si Game of Thrones.
Sorry, what's your name again? Eric. Lifestyle. Ikaw si Carl. Billion ba ba? So yung sa maritime mission, kailangan natin mag-infuse ang ating mga katawan sa tubig. Which is ginawa na nila Alvin kanina. Ano masasabi mo sa sailing? Nag-enjoy. Gusto ka ata ng second. So yun. And the goal of this activity, of this event, is to feed the next generation of sailors. So basically, yung mga bata talaga ang tinutuwa ng Subic Sailing para mag-sail. Para eventually, sila ang ating mga sailors in the future. Kasi alam naman natin na ang Philippines tayo ang maraming sinusupply na seaman all over the world. Kasi alam naman natin na ang Pilipinas ay mas marami ang tama? So yun. So ngayon, mag-enjoy tayo.
Welcome to Lighthouse. Actually, yung Lighthouse was built because of sailing. So kami, back in 2004, nag-sailing kami dito. And then we realized that we needed a business, so basically just talking about. So it's really for the love of the ocean, love of sailing, that's why we're here. And we want to share it with everyone. We want it to be mainstream, kasi for a long time, sailing has been labeled as an elitist sport, but it's not. In fact, it can help the Philippines really get out of poverty. So, yeah, enjoy, and after this, we'll go to the Maritime Forum so you can hear more about the discussions happening there. Then later tonight, we'll have the awarding for the 6 days of racing that's been happening, and we're going to party.
So just to give you an idea, within the maritime industry, we are going to invite all the Philippine marine companies that would already be something like 450 people, no? Wala pa dun yung yung domestic shipping companies, the international shipping companies, and so potentially it may not by invitation only would be that portion of the summit, but for the rest of the summit, proper it will be open to the public and of course to the members of the media. So the organizers,
and we have also different kinds of beads. And after the work of the archaeologist really is to do context, meaning context, the association of all the materials. So which differentiates us from treasure hunters. So treasure hunters just get without getting that data or the story behind the materials, but we do. We're very, that's one of the critical component of our work. So as a result of those recordings, we can produce maps like this. So we can now interpret, what is the story of the ship, where did the ship come from, where the ship is sailing, and what's the destination of the ship, and maybe who are the people in the ship based on the associated materials.
But there's no place like the Philippines. Di ba nakaka-proud? You can find almost all the type of food which we've never seen in other Asian countries, and Filipinos speak well in English.
Tagal ka mabalal?
Wait lang. Meron na po. Kaso po kasi baka bigat po.
Ano daw?
May kasama po tayo ng gagana.
Ay ka. Ano pangalan mo? Oh, si Jay!
Si Jay.
Ay, sorry po na ako.
So mag-sail na sila, Hayes. I'll be taking over muna ng vlog niya. Hayes, mag-ingat ka ha! Take over ko muna yung vlog mo. So, kuya, ano pala pangalan mo? Siya po ang... CJ? CJ! CJ din pangalan niya! Gano'n ka tayo ka na nag-sail?
1 year po.
1 year. Ingatan mo sila, ingatan mo ha. Yan na po sila. Guys, mag-ingat kayo ha. Knock guys! Dito po ako sa vlog ni Angel and sa vlog ko. Welcome to each other's vlog. Ganito na po yung bagong pumaroon para mag-vlog. Vlogception na siya. Ayan. We're at the shore ngayon. Nagtatry sila mag-sail sa Hazel. Ano sila? They're far off na eh. Somewhere there.